Okay, today we're visiting Libria and Liban. Look at this, isn't this pretty? What elegant looking. (1847) to 1860 to 1947. Look at that. It's beautiful. You have it in 12 cents in green and 25 cents in a pink. Isn't that something? Alright, let me show you what else we have. The little Liban grapes. And look at this one. Libria for Joseph Roberts. Then we go into some of the Liban ones. And these two that are together. Separate but on the same card. Have it in blue, and you have it in brown. One is 30 and one is 40. Then we have some very special ones here. Look at this. 1839 to 1939. 3 cents. Look at that, all getting off the ship and climbing the rocks there. And look at them two looking down at them. The men on both sides. Beautiful stamp, in good condition. Used, but good. No corner problems. And we have a 5 cent one. Again, 1839 to 1939. 5 cents. Look at all that. Look at all the flags. Work in the fields. A lot in the background to check out. Again, the stamp's in excellent condition. Used, but good condition. And then we have this one here at 10 cents. Again, used, but in excellent condition. Alright, I think out of them all, I think this one's the most interesting one. So this is my winner of this video. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing it to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and as always, share the video with other stamp collectors. Let them see what I got here. Okay? Never know when someone's got a piece missing to their collection. Alright, bye-bye now.